Hello everyone, I am Epic Videos, and welcome to my channel. Are you tired of being a bird? Just rip one piece of paper and you are done. This bird likes to wiggle with its water bottle. This gazelle saw this cheetah coming in the last second. This crow came and guided the hedgehog back to safety. This raccoon likes to play very much. This cat was very curious about touching this candle.
Do you understand if you wax it, the candle's going on the ground?
He's gonna wax it here first. Did you get that? Oh my god.
Did you get it?
A hiker ran into a really tough-looking deer. This cow was trying to catch some snowflakes with its mouth. This person made a small shelter under his house for the neighbor's cats. This guy found an anteater that wanted to fight.
Rapaz. Não pega não. Tadinho do bichinho, nós vamos salvar ele. Aí ó, na frente do lago aqui em Paraíso do Norte, ó. Brabo, rapaz, as cachorras aqui.
This bear came a little too close to this man.
That's close enough. Get.
Here are some raccoons caught in act. This bear got intimidated by these people laughing at him. That's all for today's video. Please subscribe, share, and like this video.